Hello guys, welcome to the Future Forge AI. I'm very excited to kick off this journey with you. On this platform, you'll be learning how AIs work. If you are new to the world of AI, if you are new to the world of artificial intelligence, when you learn how to use AI, how you can prompt AI, how you can ask the right question, both in ChatGPT or in any other platform, you are in the right place. On this channel, we'll be telling you what to do to give you the best information you need on what AI is trending, what AI is effective to your kind of work, to your kind of business, to your kind of endeavor. That is what this channel is all about, and that is what you'll be getting. I started learning about AI last year, 2024, I think middle of 2024, and today I've learned so much about AI that I can use for my personal use or for my company or for other people, and that is what you are going to be learning on the platform. This channel is about making AI accessible to everyone. Maybe you are a student, whether you are a student or you are a professional or you are a business owner or you are entrepreneurs. Understand, whatsoever you are doing as work, whatsoever you are doing as an endeavor, you will learn on this channel how to make use of AI to make your life easy. The purpose of AI is to make our life easy. AI will not change you if you know how to operate it. AI will not change you, but AI will change people who don't know how to use them, and it will replace them with you. That is it. On the channel again, you'll be learning the best tools that power AI, how you can use AI to save your time and energy and money, and the latest trend about the world of artificial intelligence. The goal is to help you to understand how AI works. The goal is to understand how to improve your life and work using artificial intelligence. That is the goal on this channel. Click subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button, because we are going all in this world of AI. Stay tuned.